I'm Owen Haines, one of the founder members of Câr y Môr, the Community Benefit Society, trying to start seaweed and shellfish farming in Pembrokeshire. Finally started last autumn, small trial farms, but we've now actually got off the floor. The objectives of it is it's good for the environment, that's the main driver, and it's zero carbon way of farming, so there's no fertilisers, there's no pesticide, very environmentally friendly way of farming.
I'm Sara Barrento and I work at Swansea University at the Centre for Sustainable Aquatic Research, and our job is to train the next generation of marine biologists. And we also want, one of our aims is to support sustainable aquaculture. We are here today at Pembrokeshire to visit Câr y Môr and this amazing community project. They're doing an exciting work, and we are here to establish ways that Caesar can support the farm.
We want young local people to feel that there is a way to earn your livelihood, farming and processing, learning how to dry the seaweed, the work that will come hopefully with a bigger farm, with grading the shellfish and the rest of it. Hopefully everybody involved gaining long term from it.
This is a fantastic project because this gives us the setup, the living lab, let's say, where students can actually learn a lot. Not only by only coming here, but this also allows us to have a more local example that people can really relate to actually show something that is happening on your doorstep, where we can come in actually visit, and we can come and have internships. People can come here and they can be involved, they can learn from their local environments.